Hey, it's me, SB. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make and decorate a tri-fold folio. And yeah, it's really easy. So what you're going to need is a scoreboard, which I have a mini one here, but it's going to work just fine. And you're also going to need a 12 by 12 piece of paper and something to cut it with and measure it with. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, we are going to cut our 12 by 12 paper down to 8 inches. So you want the length to be 12 inches and the width to be 8 inches. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. All right, now we're gonna add our little markings for our score marks. So we're gonna measure 3.25 inches or 8.2 centimeters. I'll put in a little still here so that way you can see it a little better. Of course, if you have a bigger sheet of paper or you want to make it bigger, your measurements are going to be a little different. But this is just what I've got, and this comes out pretty well, I think. So now we're going to go ahead and score our marks here. And this is a little difficult for me because I have a tiny little scoreboard. I definitely need to invest in a bigger one, but this one was kind of expensive, and I was like, I can only imagine how much a regular size one is. Anyways, all we're doing is we're scoring all of our marks, and then we'll fold it and you'll have a little folio. So this step is completely optional. You can optionally take a corner rounder and round all your corners, or you can just snip off the corners with some scissors. That's completely up to you. Be sure when you are folding up your folio that you have the little bumpy on the inside so it looks a little nicer on the outside. I think I actually messed up on mine, but you know, it's totally up to you how you do it. I'm pretty sure that's how you're supposed to do it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the decorating, and the decorating is pretty self-explanatory. You can do whatever you want. What I opted to do was to make like a collage masterboard and cut that up. Of course, I mess up a few times with the measurements, but anyways, that's a whole nother story. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I use PVA glue for basically the whole thing. I add stamps. It was really fun to do. I really enjoyed it. Okay, so I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the edges, and then I'm going to go ahead and measure my folio, which I do very, very badly. You would think I would know this, but it was actually a few days after I had made them, so I forgot all the measurements, like always. But anyways, I did fix it. I wind up cutting little like cutouts and pasting them on top, and I think it came out really good. I went through with some ink pad and kind of went over the edges and edged everything and added some extra stuff to them, like stamps, and then I decided that I wanted to have like a little insert, like a notepad or something, so I made my own notepad, which you'll see here in a minute. It's pretty simple. I think the video will explain it better than what I can. I just measured it to the width of the inside and then made a little slip thing where the back could fit in there. Actually went in later and adjusted it because I realized that if I like put it up vertically, it would slide all the way down. I mean, it wouldn't fall out, but I should have made it like a pocket, and that's what I did later. I made it like a pocket. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. If you like this, please leave a comment down below what you would do different or what you're going to do, and don't forget to like the video and all that good stuff. Anyways, guys, y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all later. Catch you on the next video. Bye.